Hey, what's up guys? How you been doing? I'm Kras here from Crazy Station. Today we're gonna restore a iPhone 4 32 gigabytes. So stay tuned as I go step by step with this thing. Alright guys, so before we start, I'm just gonna show you my phone so you can see it's jailbroken. Okay, I'm just gonna show you quickly. So here's my phone right now. I'm gonna show you how it looks like before we can restore it. Okay, so yeah, that's my lock right there, as you can see. And also I'm gonna show you my tweaks, the tweaks that I've been using for this phone. Alright, okay, hope you can see that. Yeah. I'm using SB settings, Cydia, Installers, okay, SB settings right here, like that. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna show you that. That's my tweaks right there. So I got Activator, Android Lock XT, Barrel, Deep End, Infinidock, Infinifolders, Locktopus, which is very useful, TheaterMe for straight talk SIM cards, and Winterboard. Okay. Okay. So general about, so it's 4.2.1 and it's 3.7. So okay, first things first is you need to plug your cable for your iPhone and then open iTunes. So you can see I opened my iTunes. It's not yet in there. I didn't connect it yet. Okay, I didn't connect the cable yet. Still right here. Okay, so first you're just gonna plug it in just to get ready and open iTunes on your laptop or computer, whatever. Okay, so the next thing you do is turn off your device or your iPhone 4. Okay, so you can see it's still jailbroken, so we're gonna turn it off. Okay, it's turning off and it's off. Okay, so we're gonna start. So we're gonna hold the home button. Okay, hold the home button and then plug your cable. Alright, so that's like that. Okay, and wait until you see that thing. Okay, if you see that thing, go to your iTunes, then you can release it. See that? And then you're gonna see something on the screen like this. iTunes has detected an iPhone in recovery mode. You must restore this phone before it can be used with iTunes. So the phone is still like this, and it says right here. So I'm gonna click OK. Right. I'm gonna click restore. Right there. Restore. So it's gonna ask you, are you sure you want to restore your iPhone to its factory settings? Okay, blah blah blah, and that. And there's two options: restore and update, or cancel. So I'm gonna click restore and update. So this is the new version, 5.1.1. I'm gonna click next. Then I'm gonna say I agree, and then it's gonna, we're gonna wait for it. It's gonna take some time. It says 13 or 12 minutes remaining. Okay, so I'm just gonna pause this video and I'll be back. So guys, after it was downloading the latest version of iPhone 4. So after that, it rebooted up to its jailbreak form. Then I turned it off again and did the same things. Hold the home button, then plug in the cable. Okay, and after that, this thing is gonna pop up, this image. Then you can release the home button, and then something will post in here. It says actually it's the same thing as before. Okay, then I'm gonna click OK, and then you're gonna click restore. Right. Okay, and then same thing, store and update. So it's gonna start. So it's gonna start extracting software. Okay. So that first syncing was the downloading the latest version, and this one is the restoring after downloading the latest version. Alright, don't get confused. Okay, first it will if your iPhone is not in the latest version, it's gonna ask you to install the latest version, and then you can do the restore. Right, so it's extracting right now. It's almost there. It's almost done. Me and my fucking shaky hand. Alright, so verifying, preparing for restore. That's the one. That's the one we're waiting for. That's the real thing. It's restoring. Alright, so you can see here, iPhone. I hope you can see that. And then you can see it here. It starts restoring. Okay. So we're just wait for it, and then I'm gonna come back after it's almost done booting up. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna pause it for a minute. So it's done, and it's counting down. Restore 5%. Restarting. It's restarting. Okay, the phone has just restarted. So let's see. And start booting up. It's booting up, and it says accessing iTunes. So set up. So this is where you get set up a new phone or restore from backup from your previous, when you last put a backup on your iPhone, or you can choose the set up new phone. So as you can see in here, it's see, that's the original one. So next, okay, so we're gonna go to our computer, and as you can see, set up as new iPhone or restore from backup, and I wanna click set up as new because I'm gonna sell this iPhone. So set up as new, or you can restore it from your backup from the last time you back it up, so you can choose here, right? So then click continue, and I'm gonna rename it to new owner. Oh shit. Okay. And then sync contacts. Sync contacts, none. Sync bookmarks, none. No, I don't need that because I want it to really look like new, to its original. So I'm gonna click done, So it's all none, and I got a new name. Click done, and it's syncing a new owner. Alright, so I'm gonna show you. Okay, new owner. As you can see, it's syncing. Okay, so as you can see down here, it's empty. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna show you after it's done syncing. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the phone. Okay, so after it's done syncing, this is what it looks like. Alright, so it's done syncing and it's 5.1.1, so it's back to its original right now. Okay, as you can see, the iPhone is back to its original. It has home because of Straight Talk Carrier. Slide it through. So location service is disabled. Next. Yes, I'm gonna disable it because I'm gonna sell it. Okay. And I'm just gonna click next. Continue. Okay. And agree. Agree. I'm just gonna click automatic send, and then it's gonna say thank you. Your iPhone is now set up. Okay, then start using, and that's it. As you can see, it's restored back to its original. It's not, I can't move the dock anymore. Okay, and let's see, settings, general, it has iCloud now. Okay, settings, about, and let's see, new owner. Okay, as you can see, it's 28 gigabytes, 5.1.1, and 4.12.01. It's changed. So that's it, guys. I think I've shown you how to restore it. If you need any help, you can just leave a comment, you know. And I think before I'm gonna sell this, I'm gonna put some reviews in the latest version of iPhone 4. Alright, so this is Grass. Thanks for tuning in. I hope it helps, and I'm signing out. Peace.